Me say, don't me look better when me have on the mask? No ugly people look pretty when them have on the mask, you know. Through it cover up all part of them face. And enough man I get fooled too. Me say the other day, boys they tell me how he see this girl man. She have the nice buffalo's figure. And him say, boy, she look good. So him invite her out for a drink. Him say when she take off the mask, he nearly have heart attack and through him always go to the bar. Everybody know him then laugh after him how him have the ugly girl. So, as my granny would say, you have to take good, bad thing make laugh. So, me have to take the mask and make laugh, you know, because through this dirty stinking Chinese virus name, what? Coronavirus. Me say, boy, what I think wicked? It kill off whole heap of people. It make other people sick in a bed for weeks and months. People lose their work through it, picnics starve through it. Me never see nothing last so wicked in my life. And you know, me go through enough leap year, and me never see nothing like this. That one I just different. Me can't wait till 2020 done, because me I tell you, 2021 can't so bad. And the thing about this virus, you don't know how you catch it. I mean, then say the mask help, but it move fast. Me said Jamaica had the fastest man in the world. You are youth in here, you say bold. He had the fastest man for the planet, and guess what? The virus not catch him too. So it's not like say you know how we get away from it. Man, it's wicked, so just wear your mask. It make you look prettier and handsomer. And be careful. Actually, I was saying that with all the terrible things that this virus has caused in 2020, some of us who are not extremely pretty are quite happy with it because it makes us look a little prettier or a little handsomer. And I was giving the story of my friend Boise, who invited a young lady out for a drink. And when she took off her mask, it was a totally different story. Anyway, I hope you have bought your copy of Talk Jamaican by now, available on Amazon.com. Because you know, if you live in Canada and you want to talk Jamaican, you have to go to York University. If you live in the United States and you want to talk Jamaican, you have to go to Harvard University. These universities are offering courses in the Jamaican language, and here I am giving it to you free. So have a wonderful life, and soon you will be able to chat like a me. May God.